Now, one thing I want to show you, if you direct your attention over to the right side of the screen, is the marketplace. Now, I didn't know about this at first. I got into it a few weeks ago, but it's super, super cool. Basically, what the affiliate marketplace is, a marketplace of all the different programs and products and softwares within System.io that you can promote, and you get commissions as well. Now, I just want to make sure you understand how this works. When you send someone your referral link or your affiliate link and they purchase the software or they take the free version to the software, they're going to get coded to your affiliate link, even if they're using the free version. Now, what System.io is going to do, because they're collecting the leads as well, they're going to market to those people on the back end through their email and also send them affiliate offers of some of these products. Now, when those same people who use your affiliate link purchase any one of these softwares, you'll still get the commission. Now, like I said, I didn't know all of this until I started recently getting all these random commissions, and then I discovered that they were coming from these marketplace offers. Now, like I said, I didn't know that, but I still think it's pretty cool because System.io is doing all the marketing and promoting for you. So basically doing all the heavy lifting, and you still get the credit for the commissions when those leads make a purchase. Now, also understand you can also promote these offers yourself to your own email list or to your own promotional methods or strategies. But what's cool about that, if any of these people purchase and they become an affiliate, anyone that signs up under them as well, you'll get a commission through them to you. So if you click right up here to where it says affiliate programs, you're going to see all the different affiliate programs from within System.io. And if you look at their affiliate programs here, you can see they have a second tier. So the second tier basically means if me as an affiliate recruit another affiliate up under me who becomes an affiliate for System.io, and if that sub-affiliate under me recruits somebody else to become an affiliate, I'm gonna get a commission. All right, so each one has their own tier. So you'll see the School of Life Academy, they give 10%, Lifestyle Medicine gives 10%, 10% for Good Talk Coach Magazine. And there's a lot of different ones of them. As you can see, there's over 346 results in this software that you can choose and sign up for and recruit sub-affiliates and get commissions from work that you didn't even do because the person under you signed an affiliate up and they made a purchase.